Concerned about how security robots will affect your privacy? A recent review raised some valid points about Athena, and we're here to address them. First, let's talk about privacy concerns due to Athena's facial recognition technology. Athena's facial recognition uses reinforcement learning. By recognizing faces multiple times, it creates a unique ID for each individual without displaying personal details. If someone with a specific UID is involved in unauthorized activity, they are tagged and reported. This ensures privacy while maintaining security. Next, there's concern about database security. Athena uses encrypted, locally stored databases tailored to clients' needs. The only databases Athena accesses are those provided by clients and public criminal databases. We comply with all privacy laws, giving clients full control over their data. Lastly, let's address decision-making concerns. Athena's AI is designed to assist, not replace, human decision-making. It provides accurate data and insights, but final actions are always human-driven. Continuous updates keep Athena's AI cutting-edge, blending wisdom and technology for enhanced security. Have more questions or want to see Athena in action? Drop a comment below or visit our website for a live demo.